Day 4, shame says hi, self-leadership says heal. The story that we're going to talk about today is the one time I tried to apologize and accidentally made it worse. Oh my goodness, you guys. Thanks for joining Trauma Talks with Crystal Boo. Okay, so today I want to talk about how I accidentally sent a note meant for my best friend to my boss. Not good. And not just any voice note, you guys. It was a mid-rant saying things like, if I hear the word synergy one more time, I'm going to self-combust into a cloud of passive-aggressive post notes. Yes, I sent it to my boss, who invented Monday's Synergy Hour. Oh my God. I wanted to disintegrate into a million pieces at that point. It was really bad, you guys, okay? The cue here is shame, okay? All right, internal dialogue. 100 miles an hour is what I was feeling. You're so unprofessional. This is why no one takes you seriously. You always ruin things right when they're getting good. Those were all my voice notes to myself. I started drafting a resignation email titled, "My Bad Forever." I didn't send it, thank God. Oh my goodness. However, this is what really happened here. Instead, I took a breath out loud. Yes. Moving myself back to my common sense brain. Yes. Out loud. Alone in my kitchen. Like a lunatic, I said, okay, that happened. You were venting. You're human. This doesn't define you. It just reveals you. Where you're tired, where you're not aligned, you're not bad. You're becoming. That cringe turned into absolute clarity, you guys. So I owned it. I sent a follow-up message. Yes. Hey, clearly I need a boundary between Slack and Siri. Okay. That message wasn't meant for you, but it came from burnout, not malice. Happy to chat and also laugh at myself. Okay. And to my surprise, my boss replied, TBH, synergy is a terrible word. Thanks for being real. So, you guys, let's talk about some key takeaways for today. Okay. First of all, shame says hi, spiral, cancel yourself. Self-leadership says, okay, that sucked, but it's not the end. Because when we stop attacking ourselves for being human, we actually start healing. Yes. No more shame here. Okay. I'm not bad. I am absolutely becoming, you guys. So why don't you guys go ahead and, check out the next video. Okay. This is Trauma Talks with Crystal Booth, and I really appreciate you. See you next time.